Samsung K45 is a convenient new camcorder, and here's to introduce its full HD upscaling function. This function is used when converting SD quality videos to HD quality to playback on an HD TV. We'll demonstrate how this function actually works. Open the cover at the back of the camcorder, then simply insert the HDMI adapter to both K45 and HD TV. Push up the HD mode change button to view videos in HD TV as well. You could always connect your camcorder to your TV to view and record videos at the same time. Playing back your recorded videos is the most amusing part of all. Connect your camcorder, push the play button, then sit and enjoy your own homemade videos. As you can see, it's an impressive video playback quality. The richness and clarity of the colors in the video are quite amazing. Samsung K45's HD upscaling function provides a remarkable video playback quality. Using K45, anyone can enjoy high-quality videos in the comforts of their own home.